Hey YouTube, what's going on? You know it's a girl Sexy T baby, and I'm here to show you the fireworks. Yes, each and every night in Turks and Caicos they have fireworks for like people who married people, yeah. So fireworks, want to take in the fireworks. Like, subscribe, share, do whatever, comments. Guys, stay tuned. Subscribe, hit the like button, guys. Sexy T baby. Wow, so beautiful. So beautiful. Wow, so beautiful. So beautiful. Somebody's getting married. So beautiful, guys. Happy to share this with you. Wow. This is like almost every night when somebody's getting married. So beautiful. I see that big one. No, no. Two. Wow. Oh my God. Wow. This one is so beautiful. Island vibe. This is at my door, guys. It's finished. Okay. Thank you for watching.